Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now, plug the HP into AC power and make a quick backup or system restore point so you can roll back if needed. Next, open Settings right arrow Windows Update. Click Check for updates to fetch available packages. While it scans, free at least 20 GB of drive space and close heavy apps. This prevents failed downloads. Once the update list appears, review optional updates and prioritize security and driver packages before you click Download and Install to begin the process. Once files are downloading, watch progress and use pause if you need bandwidth elsewhere. Windows queues critical files first. After download completes, click Install and allow Windows to apply OS updates, then install driver and firmware updates in the order shown so hardware stays compatible. During installation, do not force shutdown. Let HP run reboots automatically because interrupted updates can corrupt the installation. Make sure BitLocker prompts are addressed if enabled. Suspend BitLocker beforehand. After the final reboot, sign in and inspect Settings right arrow Update history to confirm success and view any remaining driver updates. Run Windows Update again to catch cumulative patches. If a specific update fails, run the built-in Windows Update troubleshooter and restart. It resolves many common problems automatically. If the system becomes unstable, use the restore point or Settings right arrow uninstall updates to roll back the offending package. Keep one key troubleshooting tip in mind. Suspend BitLocker before major updates to avoid recovery prompts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.